Well, hey there, folks. It's Dub here, and we're back with another edition of Cairn. This is our April 2019 edition, and they've gone back with the bag. I wanted to make guesses on these ones because you could squeeze the bag and you can kind of feel the weight a little easier. And I don't know if they're doing that for shipping ease, if it gets in the mailbox a little easier, if it's cheaper. Guess it doesn't really matter to me. These little things are kind of nice too. Good sized bag, and on the back here it says, what we got here? Sometimes you got to think outside the box, which is what they're doing, what we're talking about. So we'll open this up and see what it's got to offer. I'm hoping it's a good one. April's my birthday month, which is coming up here pretty soon as far as the actual day. So I'm excited. So let's see what Cairn got me for my birthday. Alright. Tear open that little bubble wrap. And first thing we grab, this looks interesting. First off, this is called the Rat Sack Food Cache Bag, or cache, I guess you don't pronounce the E, right? Used as food and supply protection from critters, as an underwater or beach collection bag or a drag bag for keeping beverages cold in bodies of water. Huh! That's pretty cool, because I very much like to go floating. We got a river here next to where I live, and so keeping a beverage cool in the summertime, it gets warm. So it's kind of exactly as you might think. It's a kind of a metal mesh bag. I mean, you could, yeah, it might keep out small rodents, but I mean, anything, you know, possum or raccoon would probably get to that pretty easy. But if you weren't using it for that, if you're using it as like a beach collection and you guys like to do seashells or just pick up trash along the way, or the beverage thing sounds kind of interesting because that's a pretty sturdy bit of Velcro or hook and loop there. And then it's got a just a bit of sewn portion down at the bottom that keeps that that end sealed up, and then it has the little, you know, bit here you can put a carabiner on or tie a rope to it. So if you were floating along or you had something else in there, you could even put stuff that just needed to be cold in there. It didn't have to necessarily be drinks. So that is an interesting bit of gear. Let's see here. Again, that one's called the Rat Sack Food Cache or Cache Bag, however you want to pronounce that. This feels like some food. And it's from Peak Refuel, which I don't know if I've heard of these folks just yet. It's saying it's got 44 grams of protein, which that's a hefty amount. Chicken Alfredo pasta with chicken pasta noodles in Alfredo sauce. Let me see here. We'll hold up the little nutrition facts and let's get a look at that. Does say 340 calories per serving and 690 are in the package, so you get 2 servings per, or just a little bit over, I guess there. Nice. So 22 grams of protein per serving. Let's see. Add 1 1/3 cup of boiling water to pouch. Okay, nice. So this is one that all you would need to do is be able to heat up water, get it in the pouch. If you were eating it, you could even probably as soon eat it out of the pouch. So I like that kind of style. I haven't tried that one yet, and so that's going. Well, it's going in the stomach soon. Go in the collection. Okay. One thing I didn't do, I started getting products out first, was I did not grab the Cairn Scout. For anybody who likes to kind of get a look at that, even though it's probably, you know, fairly hard to zoom in and get a look at that. But it shows some of the stuff. It gives you the theme. It talks about some of the sponsors and some of the people they're getting items from. So if you want that, either sign up or hit me up. You can have this one. It's going over there. All right. I thought I felt something else in here. Oh, there's more than one item, so that's always fun. Alright, this is the little S-beaner. Folks probably use those. That would work well, obviously, with the bag action here. Boom. And again, you could clip that on somewhere else. So clip it onto, you know, drag line your boat or just onto yourself as you're floating along, whatever you wanted to do. It does say it's for 25 pounds. It is plastic. So for what those are, that's lightweight, and they're probably fairly durable. And that is from Night Eyes. So they've got quite a few products I've seen before. And maybe there's a second one in here. Is that the other one is? Oh, okay, it is. And that one's kind of fun because this one, although you may be able to lose that somewhat easily with that dark color, that brighter color would probably be a lot harder to lose, and maybe you folks have color preferences. So I like black, and I'll take this as what looks to be kind of a day glow orange or so. So again, it's called a dual carabiner. They show it as holding a little bottle of water there onto your pack, so that makes it easy. So we can just clip that on. Boom. Round to there. All right, folks. So let's see. Make sure that's it. That is it. So going back over it, we have the very interesting medieval chainmail type bag here for either food storage, item collecting, or beverage control. 2 of the Night Eyes S-Beaners, one in the black and one in the orange color. And then we have the Peak Refuel Chicken Alfredo Pasta. So, interesting bag. I like the items. You let me know what you think in the comments. And this is Dub signing off. Catch you on the next one.